Where are you living right now?
I question for you, where are you?
What I what?
Speak English natural. Where are you?
I'm wherever you want me to be.
No speaking Trump language. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine.
Do you have a ring light? Did you get at Walmart? Your ring light, Walmart? Me too.
I am not Bob Marley. I am people, professional, black African, cartoon, normal country, East African, young, 21 years old.
Oh, like, what's your lighting? It looks really good.
English, I don't understand this English. Speaking English, not
bright. Your face is so bright. Like, what light is that?
This is my I am.
Okay. We're just gonna go with it. It's probably a lamp. Okay.
You want to check for me?
Everyone, why are we losing? Double tap the screen. Let's go. Roses. People wake up.
Talk small. Lemon. I check you, check me, and check you. You stand up, I am stand up. Which people, which cartoon? Yes, stand up.
Okay. Guys, Adam, help.
Okay, stand up. No time. Good.
Why are we losing?
Stand up.
Protect the nuggies! I know he knows what that means.
I say you stand up, check for me, and check you.
Thank you so much for the hand hearts. I appreciate it.
Look. This is my I am. Look for you. You stand up.
Yeah. Why do you have that filter on your face?
I say you, I check you. How much your kilo, your medium or large, your single or double, or I check you. Stand up.
You want me to stand up?
Yes.
Why?
I check you.
You check for what?
After for check you, wedding.
Kuala L?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. What do I get for it?
For me.
What do I get for standing up?
I look you. I wedding you. I marry you. I giving before children.
Oh, hell nah. I am not standing up. Hell nah. You could have said a galaxy. I want to stand up for a galaxy. He said marry you. Hell no.
You don't want me?
No, sir. I'm good.
You have another boyfriend?
No, I don't. Coffee, let's go. Protect the nuggies. Protect the nuggies.
It's not
Telling you for real. You better protect the nuggies.
It's not follow. Double script, double script, cohort tapo, tinita coffee, it's not free, timing.
Why, Wolf, with the keep going. Keep sniping. Keep pushing. Go. Let's go. MVP Coffee, White Wolf, Adam, Patrick, everyone. Patrick. Everyone else, thank you for double tapping. Yeah, man, like that's crazy. I hope you find the one you marry on here, but it's not me. And no, it's not because I have a boyfriend, because I don't. And it's a personal choice. I'm good on that. I'm good. Thanks.
You love me?
Do I love you?
Yes. Okay.
Does anybody hear him? I don't hear him.
Yeah, I am. No. I am. No. Okay.
Oh, hell no. Not the bite lip. Come on. You just no. This is when you exit. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay.
That's not even a heart. Oh my god, he's making a blob. Okay, bye.
Never. I'm with
Yeah, you should hang up. It's okay.
you.
If it's meant to be, we'll cross paths again, right? It's okay.
No, I'm with you. I'm waiting for you.
That's crazy. Maybe in like another lifetime or universe or something.
I want to send for your life, send you for your love. You come for me, my I am. Send everything by me. Love to love, marriage to coming, children coming, every wedding, every hall. You say you crazy. Wild animals. Fuck. Next. Wow. You have wedding.
What?
You finish already wedding.
No.
You have boyfriend.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay. This is the how much is your boyfriend?
What?
Your boyfriend how much is?
I don't get you.
Okay. Now your boyfriend is living for you or another country and you another country. Nothing?
No.
Okay. I'm one to you.
You want what?
I'm wanting for you.
You're waiting for me.
Yes.
To do what?
Number one, check for me. I'm check for you. Something set for you. Love coming for you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, wait. This is my attack. Alright. Okay, you.
What have I done?
Okay, you stand.
Oh, I should stay.
Okay, you stand and wait. Stand.
Actually, half naked.
No talking another something.